Hi guys, so if you are thinking about buying this Xiaomi Portable Photo Printer 1S, before you do so, here are some of the important things that you should know. So the biggest advantages of the Photo Printer 1S is its portability. It's compact enough to fit even in the bag, which means that you can print the photos almost anywhere without carrying a traditional printer. Now the setup is also very simple. You connect it through the Xiaomi Home application. Then you select the photo from the phone and print wirelessly in just a few simple taps. Another feature you will probably appreciate is that it uses zinc printing technology. That means there are no ink cartridges to replace. That makes the printer easier to maintain and travel with. However, there are some of the few downsides that you need to understand. Like the photo size is relatively small, as you can see over here in this particular image. So it's best suited for the scrapbooks, journals, or photo walls, and even quick keepsakes rather than the large printers. We should also keep this thing in mind that the printer quality is good for the portable printer, but it won't match the color accuracy and the detail of the dedicated photo lab. So if we talk about the pricing, so the printer itself is reasonably affordable, but the ongoing cost of the zinc photo paper can add up if you plan to print frequently. So if you want a fun and the convenient way to print the photos directly from your phone, I can highly recommend you this particular portable printer. So if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also turn the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our honest reviews and comparisons in the future. Thank you.